Tesla has become more than a car company. It's a symbol of innovation, sustainability, and the future of technology. But how did Tesla transform from a niche EV startup into the global leader of the electric vehicle revolution? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the factors driving Tesla's success. From their relentless focus on innovation, like the groundbreaking battery technology and the futuristic full self-driving FSD capabilities, to their ability to disrupt traditional industries with bold moves, Tesla has consistently stayed ahead of the curve. We'll explore Tesla's most iconic vehicles, including the record-breaking Model S Plaid, the highly versatile Model 3 and Model Y, and the viral sensation, the Cybertruck. And let's not forget the Tesla Roadster, the car that started it all, now reborn as a hypercar that promises to rewrite performance standards. But Tesla's story isn't just about cars. It's about a vision, from sustainable energy solutions like solar roofs and Powerwalls, to ambitious projects like building Gigafactories worldwide to scale production and lower costs. We'll also look at how Tesla is breaking barriers in autonomous driving and redefining the car ownership experience. Of course, none of this would have been possible without the visionary leadership of Elon Musk. From his bold bets to his polarizing persona, we'll examine how Musk has been both the face and driving force behind Tesla's meteoric rise.